Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Crafty Mama. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm going to do today is I am going to unbox this bad boy for you guys today. This thing is absolutely massive. This is a either 6 or 8 foot table, I'm not sure. But it will be taking up this entire table basically, you know, with my heat press off in a little corner. It makes my heat press look small. But I am going to be unboxing this Cameo Pro for you guys today. I picked it up yesterday from Michael's, my local Michael's. Had a few of them, so I went and picked one up. But I don't want to have you guys watching me struggle to get it out of the box. So I'm just going to take it out of the box and set it on the table. That's it. And then I'll come back when I have it on top of the table. Okay guys, so I'm back here and I do have everything taken out of the box. I haven't set anything up yet. All I did was take it out of the box and put it on top of the table. So these are all the tools. This is the machine. Now while it is long, it's really not that wide. So as long as you have like a 6 foot or 8 foot like table for it to sit on, then it shouldn't take up too much space. I think I kind of use this table as a storage table anyway. Like while I was crafting, I would just throw stuff on it. So I really already had this table here, plus my heat press sits on it. So this was like the perfect space for it. But a 6 foot or 8 foot foldable table, I think I got this from Walmart, and it fits perfectly on here. This is the mat. This thing is huge. Oh my goodness, this thing is huge. This is this is the mat that it comes with. This is the front of it. You would just peel this sticky part up. This is the sticky part of it. What is this? I think it's 24 by 24. 24, yes. This is a 24 by 24 mat. So this thing is absolutely huge, but I do know that it does have the capability to cut without a mat as well. If you are doing a project that you want to use without it, like a vinyl project, it can cut without the mat. Okay, and this is the power cord. Yep, so this is the power cord that goes in the back. I'm not going to do any projects today, but I think the first one I'm going to do, my son wants a bunch of Fortnite pictures in his bedroom, and I haven't been able to really find any Fortnite pictures around. I'm not sure, you know, if there's a licensing issue or, you know, anything like that, but I haven't been able to find any. So I'm gonna make him some for his bedroom. So I think I might do, I was thinking about doing a cutout. I think this is the blade. Yep, this is the blade that comes with it. And this is the cord to hook it up to directly to your computer. It does have Bluetooth capability, which my computer is on the other side of the room, so I will be using the Bluetooth. But it does come with a cord to be able to hook directly up to your computer if you don't have Bluetooth. And I'm honestly not sure what the heck this is. I'll have to look at the instructions, which I have to pull up my computer to get the instructions to figure out what that is. I'm not sure what that's for. I'm sure this is just like another. I watched Silhouette School on YouTube when she unboxed hers. So I pretty much already know what a lot of these pieces are for. Just this one is the only one I don't remember what she did with this. But these go on the side. She was using this to rest her mat on when she was cutting. This is the blade, and I don't remember what this is for either. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it plugged up. Make sure it turns on. Yesterday when I went to go pick it up from the store, I ordered it online and I was doing curbside pickup. So I get to Michael's and the lady comes out to my car and she had this little small rinky-dink box, and she was like, where do you want me to put it? So I popped my trunk for her and I was like, you can put it in the trunk, but is that the Pro? She said, yeah, this is the Pro. And I'm like, okay. I wasn't convinced, so I let her put it in the trunk, and then when she closed it, she went back into the store and I pulled into a parking spot. And I popped my trunk and I looked at it and I was like, girl, no. She gave me the Cameo 3. So I took that in my receipt right back into the store and was like, baby, this ain't that. The crazy thing is, they gave the Cameo Pro that was supposed to go to me, they gave it to somebody else. Whoever ordered, sorry, I had to plug that in. Whoever ordered that Cameo 3 got the Pro. Because there was two Cameos. There was mine, which was the Pro, and then there was the there was mine, which was the Pro, and then the other lady who did the online order, she ordered a 3. And they gave her my Pro and tried to give me the 3. Where the heck is the power spot? Oh, here it is. It's on the side. Okay, so I just put the power cord in. Hopefully she brings back that Pro. They still gave me another one, but they basically gave away a Pro. Hopefully she takes it back, because God don't like it. Okay, so it's taping here. I didn't take off. I think that's why it was making that noise. Let me take this tape off in here. I don't know if you guys know this, but I've never had a Silhouette cutting machine. I use Cricut. This is my very first Silhouette machine. So I was like, I guess go big or go home. Because this is the first one I've owned. But yeah, hopefully that girl returns that that Pro. I mean, I'm not saying I'm no perfect saint, but like I said, I do know God don't like ugly, and if I didn't pay for it, that's stealing. I would return it just because I didn't want no bad karma on me. But hopefully she does. Y'all, that noise is, that's a weird little noise. I don't know about that. Maybe I should pull up the directions. So yeah, this is the blade. I'm assuming it goes in one of those like that. I'm gonna put it back in this little bag right here. Okay, so I have it open and all the tape off and everything like that. Oh my goodness, this thing is huge. But I am so excited to do some projects. Large projects. This goes, I want to say under here. There we go. Okay, and then this, these two is where you would put, like if you had a large vinyl roll, like the picture on the box, there's a large vinyl roll that sits inside of these right here. But you don't have to use them. If you just wanted to put the vinyl in there, you can. I'm sorry. You would have to use these if you were just putting the vinyl in there, because it holds the vinyl roll. And then, I mean, I guess you could cut it, and like let's say you need 5 feet worth of vinyl to cut, you could just cut 5 feet and stick it in there. You could do that, or you could leave it on the roll and put the roll right here and then just let Cricut do what it does and cut it when it's done. Either way, but that's what these are for. Silhouette. I don't know if I just said Cricut or not, but y'all know what I meant. And I'm still not sure what this piece is for, so I'm gonna have to look it up. And I'm still not sure what this piece is for, so I am gonna go ahead and pull up the directions to figure out what these two pieces are for, and I will come right back once I pull up the directions. Okay guys, so I am back here, and I did figure out what these other pieces were for. So I did pop my blade in here. Really, you just put it in there and you push it until it clicks. Okay, so this piece right here is just kind of like a it helps support these pieces, which like I said before, is for your vinyl roll. You have one that goes right here in this designated spot. I'm going to bring you guys a little closer so you can see. Okay, so right here there's a designated spot. As you can see, it's got like a little ridge. Okay, it goes right in there like that. And then over here, same thing. It has a designated ridge, only this one is longer because it's adjustable. So this one can move like this depending on how big your roll is. If you have a 24-inch roll, you would put it all the way down here. If you have a 12, you could just bring it down here. If you have the little mini, like the Joy rolls, you can cut however big you want. This one stays in place. This one adjusts to how big your roll is. Okay? And then this is the mat support. So if you're using your mat, this lip here goes under this lip here like that, and it supports your mat so that it's not like hanging and flopping everywhere. Okay, and then this other long piece, this one right here, basically locks everything into place. So once you get your roll, let's say your roll of vinyl is there, you have it set there so that everything is locked into place and this isn't able to shift and move around, you're going to take this piece, and there's these little ridges right here. Oops, it's upside down. There's a piece here, and it basically just locks it into place like that, so nothing is able to move. Everything, this can still shift, but it's harder for it to move because this has it locked in place. So that's what that long piece is for. Okay, and then you would turn it on. And if I was ready to do a project right now, I could. It's all nice and set up. I have to connect my Bluetooth to my computer and everything, which I'll probably show you guys how to do in the first video I do with this, which, like I said, I'm probably gonna do like a Fortnite cutout piece to put in my son's bedroom. So I think I'm gonna do like a 24-inch cutout on cardstock or something so he can put it up on his wall. I'll probably take the Fortnite cutout, a 24-inch one, and then put it in like a picture frame or something, like a black frame, so he can put it on his wall in his bedroom. I'm thinking that might be my first project. So when I come back and I show you guys how to do that cutout project, I will show you how to connect it to the Bluetooth to the computer. But this was just an unboxing video showing you guys how I set it up. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or videos you want me to do, projects you want me to do with this Cameo, definitely let me know. Drop a comment down below. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.